Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to find the area between two curves, above and below, or right and left. First, let's look at the vertical distances. The distance between A to B is 9 minus 2. So we write 9 minus B is 2, which is 7. The distance between C and D, the vertical distance, is 1 minus a negative 2. So the total distance is 3. The distance between E and F is 5 minus a negative 7. So we write 5 minus a negative 7. That is 12. Now if we take the vertical distance and we time a small delta x, that's dx, then we get the thin vertical rectangle. And if we sum up all the vertical rectangles between the two curves, we will get the total area. Now let's take a look at right minus left. The distance between G and H is H minus G. So we have 9 minus 2, which is 7. The distance between I and J is 1 minus negative 2. So we have 1 minus negative 2. We get 3. And distance between K and L, we take the right point minus the left, which is 5 minus a negative 7. So we get the total distance is 12. Now, each thin rectangle is going to be the horizontal distance times the change in y. So we call it dy or delta y. So let's write over here, delta x is also dx. So to get a vertical distance or vertical distances, we get top function minus bottom function. To get the horizontal distances, we would take the right function and subtract the left function. So let's review. The area between A to B, x equal to A is the lower limit, upper limit is B. So let's call our top function t of x, and the bottom function is b of x. So we will have top function minus bottom function. To find the area with all the horizontal distances, we are stacking the thin rectangle along the y-axis, and each base is delta y. So we are going from C to D. So we'll write C to D, and we're subtracting the right function, r, with respect to y, minus left with respect to y, times dy. And dy is the delta y, which is the base of the thin rectangle, and the height is the horizontal distance. In example number 1, we are going to find the area between two curves. The y function f of x equals to 2 plus square root of x. That is the top function. The bottom function is g of x equals to x. So the bottom function is g of x equals to x. And it's bounded between x equal to 0. So here is our function x equal to 0. That's the left bound. And the right bound is the intersection between the two curves. Now we need to find the intersection between f and g. We need to set f equals to g to find the point of intersection. From our drawing, we know that the point of intersection is going to be at 4, 4. But to verify this, we can set 2 plus square root of x equals to x. That is f equals to g to find the point of intersection. So we can do 2 minus x equals to the square root of x. And now let's square both sides. We're looking for the point of intersection. That is where they are equal to each other. According to our drawing, it's going to be at 4, 4. But let's suppose we didn't know that. How do we find the point of intersection? This is point B. We're looking for point B. So we're going to square both sides. 4 minus 4x plus x squared equals to x. So we have x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. So x squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. And our factors are x minus 4 and x minus 1. So x equals to 4 and x equals to 1. And we can see that when x equals to 4, g of 4 is also 4 and f of 4 is also 4. So that is our point of intersection. So the area between two curves is top minus bottom. That's the height of the rectangle, and the base is delta x or dx. So we have the area between two curves, top minus bottom. 2 plus square root of x is the top, minus the bottom is x, and times the base, which is dx. And we are evaluating, adding all the areas, stacking from left to right. Left, it's 0, and right, it's 4. So the area bounded by the two curves, top minus bottom, is going to be the integral from 1 to 4, 2 plus x to the 1/2 minus x times dx, which is 2x plus 2 over 3 x to the 3/2 minus 1/2 x squared, going from 0 to 4. And we evaluate by taking 2 times 4 minus 0 plus 2/3 times 4 to the 3/2 minus 0 to the 3/2 minus 1/2 times 4 squared minus 0 squared. Simplify the answer. We have 2 times 4, it's 8, plus 2/3 times the square root of 4 is 2, and 2 raised to the third is 8, minus 1/2 times 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Negative a plus a is 0. Our final answer is 16 over 3 units squared. That is the total area under the two curves. Good luck on your homework, and I will see you in the next video.